welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today is a blessed Sunday, a lovely Sunday, and a lot of people do love to do roast special on a Sunday. But you know what happened? I marinated the chicken about 3 to 4 days ago, and I did have it in my freezer, not fridge. This one was in the freezer, guys. And basically, this is a chicken. I just take it out from the freezer, lay it inside of an oven tray pan right here. This chicken is for Mother's Day chicken. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to roast it in the oven. We're going to lay some bacon on top of it. It's just a fantastic recipe, guys. So hopefully you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel. And this is March 6th chicken for Mother's Day recipe. Listen to me, guys. I did marinate the chicken, and I will put the link below where you can see how I did marinate this chicken. I did put butter on top of the chicken just to make it get crispy on the outside of it. It's beautiful recipe and fantastic. You got tips and ideas how to marinate it and how to put it in the freezer and ready for. I put it in my freezer for about 4 days ago, and I just take it out 24 hours ago. I take it out, make it thaw out, take it to the good time and thaw it in that room temperature. So guys, it's gonna be brilliant, and this is Mother's Day roast chicken with bacon lay on top of it. Fantastic. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So right here, guys, as I said before, we marinated the chicken about 4 days ago. I did put it in the freezer. Basically, as you can see, on top of it, it is butter, which I put on top of it just to make the butter get it crispy. So basically, we're gonna put this in the oven for roughly about 45 minutes into an hour for it to roast on a medium-sized heat. Gas mark 7 or 8. If you're using a different kind of oven, 165 or 175 is good for 45 minutes. So guys, it's gonna be fantastic Mother's Day roast chicken, and this is the way it look right here. So basically what I'm gonna do, I have some bacon, and I'm gonna simply lay some bacon on top of it just like this. As you can see exactly what I'm doing right here. So what gonna happen now, the bacon gonna give it a nice lovely flavor inside of the chicken. When it roasts, it's gonna be really nice. If you never tried this one before, you can give it a go. So as you can see, basically I'm just laying some bacon on top of it, just like this. So the bacon will definitely give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste, as you can see. Really nice. So I just cover the top part of it with some bacon right around the side to right here, as you can see. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply pop this inside of the oven for roughly 45 minutes and gas mark 7 or 8. Basically this can serve it rice and peas, plain rice, coconut rice, whatever you want to serve it with for Mother's Day. You can serve it with some roast potato. A lot of people like to do roast potato with roast chicken, goes really well. So as you can see, looking lovely and fantastic. So this is Mother's Day roast chicken idea, guys. So you can try this one at home. And what I did, I lay the chicken breast, I lay it on the back, and the breast, as you can see, the breast is up, and that's where we lay that lovely bacon for it to soak straight inside of it and get all the flavor all over the chicken with the bacon. It's gonna be fantastic. So give it a go, give it a try. Why not? You know, a new recipe, new ideas, and I know you guys will like it. So enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. So what we did, we just covered it with some bacon on top of it and bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that's the chicken right here. Just take it from the oven. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this crispy bacon off the top because right there is white. Then put this at the side. Take this and put this at the side. And basically because we get the gravy and the flavor of the bacon all over the chicken. Get that lovely grease and thing off right there, and just simply put it on top of it. Just like this, guys, as you can see. Get the flavor of that lovely bacon, which as you can see, look at that, that is fantastic. Lovely. So basically we're gonna put it back in the oven and make it get crispy for about 10 to 15 minutes the least in the oven. So as you can see, the bacon fried off and get that lovely flavor and the moisture of the chicken. It's just really nice. You can smell that lovely scent from the chicken. So now we're gonna put it back in the oven for roughly about 15 minutes and you will see the difference, guys. As you can see, I just take the chicken from the oven. Really fantastic and nice. Looking so lovely. So what I did, I just remove that lovely bacon off the top of it because just to get the bacon and the flavor. So what I'm gonna do now is just use this and sprinkle this on top of the chicken. It's a Mother's Day roast chicken, as you can see. And it's just really nice and beautiful. So as you can see. So hopefully guys you like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. And this is how the chicken look. Lovely and nice. So basically I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes and that's it. So hopefully guys you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. This is from Chef Ricardo, Mother's Day roast chicken recipe. Look at the chicken, guys. This is amazing recipe. This is amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Nice and lovely. I just took out the chicken from the oven, guys. As you can see, this is the way all the chicken looking. So fantastic and amazing recipe. So look at that. Beautiful. Really nice and looking good. Let's do a slice of it to make you guys see. Nice and lovely. As you can see, all the chicken looking so fantastic. So basically, this is the best part, and just to cut to make you guys see exactly what we are about with this lovely chicken. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really nice. And fantastic. Look at that. Really fantastic. Soak properly and really nice. So that's exactly what we are talking about when we're talking about a proper roast chicken. So as you can see, juicy, looking lovely and nice, and that's exactly what we are about. So hopefully guys will enjoy the recipe. This is a Mother's Day recipe, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and look at that, beautiful. This is it. That lovely sauce which just come from it is just amazing, guys. Oh man, this is fantastic. So enjoy the recipe, and I have it in the oven for 1 hour, perfectly baked, and know you guys will love this one. So Mother's Day recipe, roast chicken, and this can go with anything as you can think of. This piece, I will definitely taste this piece. Really nice. You can taste the flavor of the bacon. Just fantastic, guys. Beautiful. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.